I am here at Waitsore's Leighton Buzzard, and this video is for my friend Dene. Dene was curious to have a tour at the supermarkets in the UK because I've been making lots of videos showing everything. Mostly I make bus rides to show the streets, you know, exactly the way they are. I think it's great if people see the weather. I like to see, you know, what people are wearing. But Dene was like, do you have a video of the supermarket? And I told her, okay, I'll put on my list to make a video of the supermarket. I have lots of photos. So here you go, bacon. You can see the prices. Actually, I love these, the bacons they have unsmoked. It's very, very delicious. It's unsmoked back bacon. Now, Waitsore is my favorite supermarket. They have the most delicious food. It is a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it. They have some of the best ready meals as well. The other day I had the spaghetti bolognese. It was the best spaghetti bolognese. Oh, and they have these as well. They have the section of Too Good to Waste. Of course, every Waitrose they have a different section and different prices, where you can get some really good deals. And you know, for special prices, and it all depends on the shop, the manager. I notice every neighborhood is different. So here's a little tour of the chickens and fish. They have lots of fish, delicious stuff. Normally when these salmon are on sale, I like to buy them. It's just easy way to eat when you're traveling. You just open, you know, when you get a fork and eat it. It's very, very easy. And then, oh, the ready meals. Oh, they have so many. These ones are on my list to buy. I haven't tried them yet. I tried them in Australia. Just the meat, you know, that they kind of pre-ready, and then you put it in the oven for a bit, and they're normally delicious. So they are on my list. I hope I get to try them this travel before I go back home. Beef brisket. I love beef. Everything. Unlike Australia, they have alcoholic, you know, inside the supermarket. They do check ID as well at the till if you look, you know, under 25. But you can buy your wine together. And what else? Oh, lots of fish. I'll show you my favorite part. They have this favorite part. My favorite part, which they have all these little pies, which are really delicious. First time I bought it, the lady said you could eat it cold, and they are delicious cold. Hi, I make a little video for my friend in Australia to show her what supermarket looks like in the UK. So, see the stuff here, very, very friendly as well. That's why I love this place. Oh, let's go to the cheese section. So milk, lots of milk. Kefir, I love kefir. Some Waitroses have a bigger variety of milk. Oh, they have it here, goat's milk, and they have super full cream milk. Actually, that's on my shopping list as well, to try. Goat's milk apparently is very healthy for you. Lots of, yeah, spices as well, and of the boring cheese. Yeah, just keep it. And lots of cheese. Oh my god, desserts. I had these tarts the other day, lemon tart. Oh my god, delicious. And it wasn't too sweet. It was absolutely delicious. And then, oh, I like the custard tarts as well. And they usually know not expensive, so it's a nice little sweet. Ooh, what's that? Oh my god, I just love food. Making this video is actually really fun. And oh my god, so many sweets. I'm getting close so you can see all the photos and you can see all the prices. Now, my other favorite stuff, these. Oh my god, I had the violet fig the other day, this one. It was amazing. It wasn't too sweet, but it was really delicious. I had the rhubarb and strawberry. I haven't had the raspberry yet. It's on my shopping list and it's on sale. I better get some again this week. Yeah, that is so delicious. I had some nice yogurts in Australia, but these must be the most delicious yogurt in the world, seriously. I did have one pretty good in Queensland, from Queensland. I forgot the name. It was delicious, but yeah, this is brilliant. Lots of cream. Yeah, they have lots of amazing dairy products, which is really great. Oh, lots of sauces. Oh, I love the sauces. Shame that traveling, I move all the time. I can't really buy too much stuff because you know it gets heavy when you're moving places. But again, I want to try all the sauces. Yeah, lots of sauces, and then lots of cheeses. Yeah, there are supermarkets bigger than this one. Oh, I got this the other day. It's on sale, Parmigiano, to put on that delicious, you know, bolognese. There are supermarkets with much more cheese than this one. But yeah, lots of cheese. Oh, these are delicious as well. I had them before, so good. Just had to stop eating like cheese with fruits, but they're not too sweet, you know, because it's cheese and fruit. And more cheese. I'll probably get some more cheese here later on the way back home. Lots of cheese and more cheese. Well, I'm a cheese fan, so I'm showing you my favorite stuff. Yeah, I love cheese so much. This supermarket is not annoying like the other ones with too many machines. They do have lots of stuff. I normally then I notice, I'll show you the coffee section quickly. I noticed the supermarkets in small towns, they have more stuff, so I prefer them because I guess the older people don't like all those annoying machines, you know. So here you see all the tea, lots and lots of tea. Yeah, massive variety. I don't drink too much tea, so even back home when I buy them, they just hang in a cabinet forever. And the coffee, they're on sale, which is good. So yeah, lots of coffee, cereals. I'm not a cereal person, so boring. What else? I think I'll try to see eggs. I do like eggs. Oh yeah, and more cheese, of course. I'll show you the bakery. They have this nice sweets, you know, lots of sweets. I was going to show you something. Oh yeah, where is the wine section? Oh, freezer section. Oh, so drinks. Oh, they have these fuzzy drinks. I'll show it. Do they have it here? They're so delicious. Oh, these. Yeah, very, very delicious. Worth it. Absolutely worth it. Oh no, this was the one I had the other day. Oh my god, so delicious. It went down so quickly. I thought it was going to last 2 days. It lasted half an hour. So good. And then like the freezer stuff, very similar to Australia. You know, the diced stuff. And then, is this the alcohol? No, it's not the alcohol. Where is the alcohol? Some supermarkets, they have a massive section of, you know, drinks. I mean, I'm not that obsessed about drinks really, but I just wanted to show you. I mean, most people like drinks. Yeah, I think they don't have too much here really. Newspaper. Tax cards, yeah, we need that. So you can see the date today, 6th of March. Yeah, I'm not a fan of news. Let's skip that. Ooh, cat food and dog food. Oh, they have a cat food that is really good. Where is? Oh, this one, Blink. It doesn't have any sugar. I noticed lots of cat food have lots of sugar, but that one doesn't. And then dog food. Where is the dog food? Dog food, dog toys. And cleaning stuff. Yeah, boring. I mean, you all need to clean the house. But yeah, so you get to see. I think I'll stop here. What else? Oh, the cosmetic. Come on. Every girl likes the cosmetic section. Let's go to the cosmetic section. Medication, vitamins, painkiller. Similar to Australia, you can get, you know, the home brand painkillers, pretty cheap. Socks, tissues, ooh, diapers, toilet paper, very important. You can see how much they are as well. And home brands, home brands, home brands. Now cosmetics. Sometimes they have very good sales, but if they don't have very good sales, it can be a bit more expensive. I actually need to buy deodorants. My deodorants run out. That's what I came here for, to get deodorant. You guys see everything. Soap. Where is... I like the Nivea Man, it's pretty good. But the little, I need the roll on because I'm traveling. I'll stop this here. Oh, you can see some cooking pans as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour. Oh wow, we're up 10 minutes. But anyway, I like to do everything, you know, nice and complete. So you got to see a nice tour of Waitsore, Leighton, Buzzard. Hope you enjoy. If you enjoy, click subscribe and share with your friends. Ciao. Oh, let's complete the video with these little cute cups of cats and dogs. Oh my god, I just love everything pets. They just make us smile, don't they? Okay, have a good day. Bye. Hi team, I missed this session. I'm adding an extra video of the chocolates and cookies. So they have lots and lots of chocolates as well. I haven't tried all of them. Strangely enough, I don't eat too much chocolate. Ooh, that looks delicious. Ginger fudge, oh my god. Yeah, fudge is a big thing. Oh yeah, we are just approaching Mother's Day, so lots of chocolates for Mother's Day. And then those ones are just boring. And then cookies. And then they have some really delicious cookies. Very, very delicious for you to see. I love cookies. Yeah, and then they have some really delicious crackers as well for anyone who likes chili. Oh my god, this is absolutely delicious. And then I love these ones as well. I think I'll get one of these so I can eat on the train back home if I get hungry. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. And just crackers and stuff. There you go. Now the tour is completed. Hope you enjoy.